Good morning, everyone. My name is Shraddha Singh. I am here to focus on the subject of artificial intelligence. AI is the capacity of a machine to carry out the variety of tasks with assistance. Machine can learn, solve issues, make plans, things, etc. with the help of artificial intelligence. Now we have a debate to present you to classify the advantages as well as the disadvantage of AI.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anushka Danga from class 8. I am here to present the advantage of AI, artificial intelligence.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kanchan Dikshit from class 8. I am here to present the disadvantages of AI, artificial intelligence.
My first point is reduction in human error. One of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence is that it can significantly reduce error and increase accuracy precision.
Okay, I agreed that, but it reduces in error. But what about creativity? A big disadvantage of AI is that it cannot learn to think outside the box.
Human can overcome many risks by letting, but AI robot do them for us. Whether it be defusing a bomb, going to space, etc. Machines with metal bodies are resistant in nature and can survive unfriendly atmosphere.
But it has no ethics and morality. These are the human features that can be difficult to incorporate into AI. The rapid progress of AI has raised a number of concerns that one day AI will grow uncontrolled and eventually wipe out humanity.
There are many studies that show humans are productive only about 3 to 4 hours in a day, but AI can work endlessly without breaks. They think much faster than humans and multiple tasks at a time with accurate results.
Machines can only complete tasks they have been developed or programmed for. If they are asked to complete anything else, they frequently fail or provide useless results.
In practically every field, AI is the driving force behind numerous innovation that will aid human in resolving majority of challenging issues.
You are right, but the second phase of this is that it makes human lazy. AI application automates the majority of tedious and repetitive tasks since we do not have memorized things or solve puzzles to get job done.
Some of the most technologically advanced companies will engage user using digital assistant.
Human cannot develop artificial intelligence because it is a technology based on preloaded facts and experience.
Human can driven by emotion, but on the other hand, AI is the devoid emotion and highly practical or rational on its approach.
AI needs a lot of information in order for the computer program to properly, but there are many problems that come along with this process.
We will doing a lot of repetitive tasks as part of our daily work. We may use AI efficiently, automate these menial chores and evenly boring tasks for people, allowing them to focus on being more creative.
The disadvantages of AI in education include data problems. It is not possible to anticipate all the ways student learns.
Today, our everyday life are entirely dependent on mobile devices and the internet. We utilize a variety of apps including Google Map, Alexa, Siri and making call etc.
Okay, but what about emotions? Since every childhood we have been taught that neither computers nor other machines have feelings.
Wow, a wonderful debate we had from my classmate friends. We can utilize AI to add in our life, but we should be careful not to go too far because right there, where we pass the yellow line, we do not have any prediction or any power over AI. As a result, we must stay behind science and advance and continue to work and take full advantage of technology. Thank you.